Hello everyone, it's Marloes from Student Family Housing coming at you with another video. This week, we're going to be learning how to make scratch art. Now, what is scratch art? Scratch art is made by coating a design in paint and then scratching away at it to reveal the colors underneath. For this craft, you will need some construction paper, a small amount of dish soap, some black acrylic paint, some wax paper, different colors of oil pastels, some popsicle sticks, and some paintbrushes. You'll want to begin the craft by laying out some strips of wax paper to protect your table from the mess. Then you want to lay your construction paper over top. The color of the paper doesn't matter, as you'll color over it anyways. I decided to fold my paper in half to make it a little bit thicker. I then began covering the entire paper using different colors of pastels. You can choose to make any design you want. Once you're finished coloring, take the black acrylic paint and pour a generous amount into the bowl with the dish soap. Then stir using a paintbrush. Once the mixture is combined, cover your entire paper with the paint. Wait until dry, and then you can begin to scratch away at the paint with a popsicle stick. This process will reveal the different pastel colors underneath and make for some super cool designs. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more fun content. See you next time!